We have a 2012 Buick Verano. We're going to do an oil change reset procedure on it. So we're not going to touch the brake or the gas pedal or anything. We're going to go over here to the start button. We're going to press and hold until your dash illuminates. Keep holding. Okay, there we go. Now over here where your signal light switch is, you got menu and you got a little turn dial, and then you have like for your cruise control and stuff. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to push on menu. We're going to push menu again, so it's vehicle information. Now we're going to go up and down through the features here. So when you get to oil life, down on the end, we're going to hit set clear. It's going to change your screen. We're going to use the dial. You're going to go up and we're going to hit set clear again. And it's going to reset to 100%. Make sure you hit that like button, hit subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.